Hello everyone, this is a listening comprehension task. Read the questions in the description box, then listen to the story and try to answer them. The answer key will be at the end of the video. Check the description box again for additional exercises and tasks. Have fun! Emma's summer trip to Los Angeles. Hi everyone! Today I am finally traveling from London to Los Angeles for my summer holiday in California. I woke up at 4 a.m. because my flight was very early. I felt tired, but also excited. I packed my suitcase the night before, so I only had to get dressed and call a taxi to the airport. When I arrived at Heathrow Airport, it was already very busy. There were long queues at check-in and security. At first, I couldn't find my passport in my handbag, so I started to panic. Luckily, I found it in my jacket pocket a few minutes later. I was so relieved. After security, I looked around the duty-free shops and bought a bottle of water and some snacks for the flight. Then I checked the departure board and went to my gate. Suddenly, there was an announcement saying that the flight would be delayed because of a technical problem. Many passengers looked annoyed, but I tried to stay calm and listened to music while waiting. Finally, we boarded the plane. My seat was next to the window, so I could enjoy the view during takeoff. A few hours later, however, the passenger in front of me pushed their seat back very far, and I didn't have much space. It was uncomfortable, but I decided to walk around the cabin and stretch my legs. During the flight, we were served dinner and drinks. I watched a film, read a magazine, and even slept for 2 hours. The flight was long, but the cabin crew were friendly and helpful. When we landed in Los Angeles, the weather was sunny and warm. I collected my luggage and took a shuttle bus to my hotel near the beach. I was exhausted after the journey, but seeing the palm trees and the ocean made me feel happy immediately. My summer adventure had finally begun.